Hi guys, welcome to another video. So we're going to be doing a little gel polish design today. I was just showing you there that all 4 tips have had a coat of Cosy blanket, which is from Madam Glam's November collection. A lot of the gel polish is what I'm using today is out of the November collection. So we're starting off by doing a French tip using Teal Deal. This is the pointer fingernail. The pinky is going to be the exact same. So I'll do the pinky off camera. So I'm just showing you here. I'm adding a little bit of Stormy Day, this blue, onto my palette, and Nature's Gift, which is the khaki green. And I'm going to paint a couple of little square patches on the French nail, the pointer fingernail. And like I said a minute ago as well, I'll do the same on the pinky, but I will do that one off camera just to save a little bit of time. Now on this nail, we're going to be doing a checkered print sweater nail. So I'm starting off by using that Teal Deal, and we're just going to paint quite a thick stripe going diagonal across this tip. And then I'm also going to do a thinner strip going this way. Now we're using the Nature's Gift, that khaki green. I'll do a thin strip going across there. And then I'm going to use the Stormy Days, the blue, and we're going to do a couple of thicker stripes. And then once I'm happy with all those, I'll give that a cure for 60 seconds. I am using the Madam Glam striping brush to do this, guys. This is amazing to do line work with. Really, really nice brush. Now I've pulled out Madam Glam's black gel paint, and we're just going to do one more stripe going down here, and then I've cured that in the lamp for 60 seconds. So I'm also using the black gel paint to outline these little square patches. I'm also going to outline the smile line on both of the French tips, and then around the edge of the patches and the smile line, I want to do some little dashes and some little crosses, just to look like stitching, but I want it to look really scraggly. I don't want it to look super neat. Just like that. Give that a cure for 60 seconds. And now I'm going to give all the tips a coat of Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat. And that's where we've got to so far. Now we're going to do some 3D sweater print just along this thick green stripe. So I'm just going along the outline to start with. And then we're going to do the sweater print on the stripe. So the sweater print, it's really hard to explain what I'm doing here. You're best off just kind of watching really what I'm doing. So I've not cured that gel polish. I'm now sprinkling some clear acrylic powder into that uncured gel polish, making sure there's no shiny patches, which means the gel polish has soaked all that acrylic powder up. That's what that looks like. And then give that a double cure in the lamp for 2 minutes just to make sure it's fully cured. So now I've pulled out Madam Glam's Mirage 3D Sculpting Gel. This stuff is really nice to use, guys. It's not sticky. It's really easy to mould. I really like that it's clear as well. So you can either add pigment powder into it, or you can do the design like I am, cure it, and then paint over it. There's so many different things you can do with this, but I really enjoyed using this. I definitely have to use it so much more. So I'm just moulding 3 leaf shapes. Once I'm happy with the shapes of them, I'm then going to go in and do the veins. I don't think leaves have veins, but you know what I mean. They look like little veins. I'll go in and do the indentations and then I'll give that a cure in the lamp for 60 seconds.
Eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I are safe and sound.
So those three are fully cured. I now just want to add a couple of little ones in between these three. So I'm just going to do the exact same again, just making them a little bit smaller though. This Madam Glam silicone tool was really nice to use as well, guys. It's quite firm, but I like that it's quite sharp on the tip, you know, so I could do them little veins with it. It was really, really handy tool to use with this Mirage gel.
And we just slow down. For you and I are safe and we were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow.
So I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds, and now we're going to paint them. So I'm using the Stormy Days, which is this gorgeous dark blue, and we're going to paint the bigger ones in this colour, and then the smaller ones we're going to paint with the Teal Deal. And then that is what the nails look like all finished, guys. You'll see that I did matte out those 3D leaves, and I did add a few crystals as well, just on that ring fingernail. And that is the end of the video, guys. So all the products that I've used today, I will leave the names of listed in my description box below. Most of the gel polish that I used today was out of Madam Glam's November collection, which is available on the Madam Glam website right now. You can either purchase the whole collection, you can also buy the individual colours. Now, because I'm Madam Glam's Ambassador of the Month this month, I have got a huge 50% off discount code for you guys to use. So I will leave that pinned in my comments along with the Madam Glam website link. It's available to be used through the whole of November, and you can use it as many times as you like as well. So make sure you take full advantage of that. And that's everything for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.